Welcome back to the channel. Looking for a fast, durable, and reliable charging solution? Meet the GUSGU USB A to C charging cable built for speed, strength, and convenience. Let's dive into the top features of this high-performance charging cable. 30W Pro Fast Charging supports 30W power fast charging, providing more than twice the charging efficiency of the original Type-C cable for iPhone 16. It can charge an iPhone 15 and a Galaxy S23 to full capacity in less than an hour. Offers a high-speed data transfer rate of up to 480 megabits per second, enabling effortless transfer of large files, while allowing simultaneous charging and data transfer. Quality: we put our USB-C to USB-C charging cable through thousands of rigorous tests and experiments, including short-circuit testing, temperature testing, and bending testing. Equipped with high-performance battery cores and premium materials, our cable provides double protection for your charging safety. Wide compatibility: works seamlessly with a wide range of USB-C devices, including smartphones, tablets, power banks, and more. iPhone 15 USB to USB-C cable, iPad Pro 12.9-inch 6th/5th/4th/3rd, MacBook Air M1 M2, Galaxy S23 S22 S21 Ultra, Google Pixel 8 Pro and more USB-C device. Quality: we put our USB-C to USB-C charging cable through thousands of rigorous tests and experiments, including short-circuit testing, temperature testing, and bending testing. Equipped with high-performance battery cores and premium materials, our cable provides double protection for your charging safety. Perfect 6-foot length: the extra-long Lightning cable is 6 feet long and comes in handy away from the power source. And there you have it, the top features of the GUSGU USB A to C charging cable. With fast charging, superior durability, and unbeatable convenience, this is the perfect charging solution for any tech lover. Upgrade your charging experience today. Product link in the video description. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.